Ready, Hanan? Look at this weather. Why? But maybe we'll get lucky. Today Hanan and I are driving out to a new location. It's a bit of a gamble because it's raining right now, but if the sun comes out, we should be able to get some amazing photos. So last time I landed in Frankfurt, I spotted this road from the airplane and it looked like a really cool location. Where you see this is the airport right here, this is where the planes land, and if we drive up to here, you would have the planes landing right above you and you should be able to get some amazing shots. It looks like there is an epic sunset happening, but there's no direct sunlight coming out, so we might be out of luck for a good photo, but I still want to check out the spot. If it's a cool location, I'll be so excited, like, because how often do you find something new in your neighborhood? So hopefully this is gonna be awesome. Look, this is the runway right here, and we're here. I'm not sure if planes are landing here or departing from here, but we're gonna find out. Oh, airplane! Airplane, but that's far away.
Yeah. I feel like we're on the wrong side of the track, maybe. The takeoff end?
The airplanes don't always take off from exactly the same spot. So maybe if we have an airplane that hits a late takeoff, then it could be a sick shot. Yes, no, maybe? This is parking for the US Army.
Howdy.
See that plane?
No, I do not have the right lens for this. It seems a tad far for the shot that we wanted.
So we're gonna try to drive to the other side of this runway.
Trying to record something.
Alright.
I think you over-advertised that shot. You didn't explain to me the intricacies of sticking my head out as you drove through puddles.
You didn't know you were gonna get wet?
Didn't know it was gonna be that big.
Yo, the sun just came out from under the clouds, which means the light is gorgeous. It's 7 minutes to the next location. If the next location is the right place to be, we might get some amazing photos. So let's hope this spot is the spot, yeah. Whoa, look at that sun!
I think we found a problem, Jason.
Thankfully we have legs. So let's see what's on the other side. Parking. It's so wet and slippery. Is this the perfect photo spot? We have the sun. There's a plane on its way. I kind of worry the shockwave is gonna throw me off this fence. Okay. That was pretty hectic. Damn. Yeah, you think we can get a photo? If you're down there, and maybe I do just balance on this fence or do a jump off the fence. Could look dope, huh? I have light on me if I'm up here. Right down there it's shadows, but up here the sun hits me. So maybe with the next plane we'll try to get a photo. Okay, I think we got a cool shot. That was intense.
Pretty intense actually. That was really, really surreal watching a big, massive piece of metal just dropping in front of your face. It's like,
Successful mission. We've got the sunlight. Happy end.
barely. Always a happy ending when you come from Thailand.
I don't understand that joke.
Right. Sure.
Why should I just park straight ahead?
Yeah, why not? Oh.
Alright. We are parked. We're about to do a little bit of a prank. We're gonna pick up, it's not really a prank, but what do you call it? We're gonna pick up my friend Pasha at the main station. He's just coming from the Netherlands to visit us. And last time I picked him up from the airport, there was a Tesla in the parking garage, which was not my Tesla. But I pulled out my key and I was like, let's take my Tesla and let's go back home. And he was like, haha, you don't have a Tesla. And this time I'm gonna try to do the same joke. He doesn't know that I've borrowed this Tesla, and I'll be like, let's take the Tesla. He's gonna be like, ha ha ha, and I'll be like, here we go. And I want to see his reaction when he actually realizes we're in a Tesla. It's gonna be pretty funny. Here he comes.
Oh my god, attacking! Yeah, man.
Good to see you.
Yeah. Long time no see you guys. You're all wearing white, it's so unusual. Yeah, man.
We're looking for the black color.
We've been waiting for
Forever.
not long enough. Actually, Anand got a sausage and some fries, so we're good.
Sausage and surprise? and he did it twice.
Not a fan.
But that's the thing, it's hard to miss.
Yeah.
Trip was nice, amazing. Wasn't. It was terrible. Can we take separate cars?
All the way back there.
Not Tesla?
We could take my Tesla. Try.
Is it charged? What? Yo! No jokes.
What?
How the fuck that happen? Wait. What the fuck? Bro, when did you become rich?
You know.
Who got a Tesla?
I wanted to prepare something special for you.
I never drove Tesla. Yo. Let's go. Yo. How you open it? Like, that's a thing. I don't know how it's come to my mind. Like, oh, imagine. Oh, like here. Okay.
It's Stas. Stas said we should take the Tesla, and whatever Stas wants comes true. That's the universe.
Man, that's how it works. German efficiency, you know? Just like, I want Tesla, he provides Tesla. Man, amazing. Okay, let's go. That's fucking amazing, man. How?
Wait, you rent it, right? You rent it.
I just don't get it how it's works. Like, oh, imagine you take this Tesla. Fuck.
Tesla gave it to me for 3 weeks.
Nice.
So we'll take it to Munich as well and shit. This will be good.
Man, that's
Now I'm going to Munich. I was thinking maybe I shouldn't go to Munich. You know what? Let's go to Munich now.
let's go all Germany around.